All right, today I will be teaching you how to change out your sprinkler system. Radford Homes LLC. You could do this yourself. All right, I'm at my house. Gonna need your shovel, a little shovel. I got a little hand shovel as well, but I got a big one here. You're also gonna need, when the grass start to get thick, like my grass right here is getting thick, okay? You can see you're gonna need these longer ones. These short ones, not gonna do it because the grass is getting too high and it can't pop up over it. A 6-inch pop-up head, okay? And here are some of the little gaskets that's gonna go at the fitting at the bottom. Okay, and here I dug it up. I'm finna get ready to change it out. Here's the donuts that we use to put around. And I also put stakes up. I'm gonna get some better stakes, but I got stakes because the lawnmower guy keep hitting it. Changed this one here out already. So I changed one out so you can see. See this long one, how long it is down there? All right. You just twist it on, right on there. And that's all you have to do. Greg, one half of RadfordHomes LLC. My lovely and beautiful wife, Sabrina. Well, you know the deal. She's the brains and the beauty behind the operation. Give us a call if you need our services. We buy houses, any condition. Let's make a deal. Call me direct, 931-241-9714. Salute all veterans. All right, I put this one on, but I'm gonna take it off and show you. Always turn to the left, tighty right, loosey goose left, and then you put it on. See the water coming out? You put that on there. Now some folks will charge you, man, $20 sprinkler to do this. Dig it up and put this on there like that. That's all you have to do. It's it. All right, now we gotta find out where the leak is. All right, well, we got a leak right here. All right, there's one of our leaks right there, so we gotta turn it off. We gotta have to fix that one. Grass will grow over, so this is why you gotta get out and check your sprinklers. Grass growing over it. See the sprinkler in there? You gotta come out and edge your grass, or have your lawn got edge your grass. There you go. It reveals the other one here. Now it's coming out slow because there's no pressure because we got a big leak right here. Not very much water coming out of here. Here's our leak, folks. See that, all that water? I think it's only not good because it don't have pressure. See, if it had pressure, it would come up like that. You gotta get the pressure right. Once you get to see that, once you get it all the way up, the pressure is starting sprouting out like it's supposed to. All right, we got pressure, y'all. That's what it looks like when it starts performing correctly. Everything will start spurting out like it needs to. And then you need to go around and adjust your sprinklers. Everything is spurting out now. See that? Voila. Because you clogged up all the holes. I got to adjust that one so it ain't spurting out here in the road. Okay, that one there, I might have to change that one out. There you have it, folks. And we have to change that one out. See, that's going too far. See, this one is turned the wrong way. Water in the neighbor's yard. Now it's spraying it over in my yard. You don't water the neighbor's yard. Simple fix. This one here has too much water coming out of it. That's too much water leak right there. See that?